What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video, another explore. This one is a bit surreal. That right there is Crying Boy House, which I explored maybe 6-7 years ago. That little one. Since then, the whole street has become derelict. Let's just stand back and take all this in. That's a bit crazy. Right off the main road, literally, you just gotta be a bit ballsy with this, just walk into it. So my plan is to take you down. Obviously, I've driven past this hundreds of times over the years. It's been derelict for the last 6 to 8 months maybe. I know people have been in them, and obviously they've been ransacked as well. This is like literally one of the busiest roads, literally just burning stuff here as well. Like, one of the busiest roads, and also the most polluted road in South Wales, if not the UK. I think this is what they've gone on. There's some history there. That just looks a bit derelict up on its own, innit? So my plan is walk the whole back of them first. If any of them do open up, we'll have a look. Of course, I'll never break into anything, so if there's an open door, we're in there. If not, we're not. Aside from that, let's just take you on a little look. I tell you as well, right, literally, I can't even explain to you how cold it is. It's like I've driven to a different country. Obviously, I live down on the South Wales coast. It was 12-13 degrees down there this morning. Sun was out. It's lovely. I've got to where this is, about 50 minutes up in the valleys. I've got the heated seat on and the heating on. It's crazy. It's a different world. There we go. And what I might do as well, for a little bit of extra for this, I might actually just, sorry, jumping down, hold the GoPro when it's in the van, and I'll drive the outside of the street, because I'm not walking it, because it's a main street and it goes forever. I'm not even joking. This is so surreal, seeing them all like this, just walking over people's gardens. Obviously reminds me of the old South Wales streets, which are long gone demolished, the ones which are closer to Murphy Tydfil. See, that's open. Quite a few of them are ransacked, I think. The thing is, you've got to watch for squatters, you've got to watch for security, even though they can just ask you to leave. Good thing about recording stuff is you can just see that it's an open door, so if anything did come of it, they can see, no man, it's already there. You can see, check that. Look at the way they've just tried to break into that. That's bonkers. So I might actually come back to that, because right now I'm on the hype of exploring gardens, which I never thought I would do. I think people's pride and joys at one point. This is what we're working with, guys. So you can see they've kept this one open, but the inside then is boarded. It's in someone's utility room. You can hear the beeping of a smoke alarm in there, which is quite cool. Not that's my phone. Let's take you back down. So apologies if this is a bit jumpy and shaky in areas, but obviously it's uneven ground. That view is quite nice though. You would have had out your back garden. Crap view at the front, view of a little stream at the back. Makes you think, doesn't it, how many things have just been stolen out of these houses, copper, etc. That's quite new, that chipping too. Trampoline. What's quite surreal about this place as well, guys, over like coming months, they started getting emptier and emptier. Obviously, compulsory purchase, innit? But there was a couple of people who like refused to leave. They were still in there living in them. Which, yeah, really is bonkers. Number 9. This is so surreal. Quite big gardens too. Wow, fair play. Unbelievable. Let's have a little jump down. Oh. You know, I normally cut to just inside of buildings, but to be fair, a few of you said you like to just come on a walk along and see what I'm seeing as of when I am seeing it. A coal shed. The size on these, of course, they're all 3-story. Forgot about that. But Crying Boy description, The link will be in the description from that video from years ago if you want to see that place. But wow, look at this, man. It looks like the grass hasn't long been cut. What a waste. I can see number 3 is wide open. As I said to you before, it is quite nice just to have a little bit of proof as well when you are recording things. There's so many YouTube goons, as they say, breaking into places that are desperate for views, etc. Me, I can just show my little route. There you go, we gotta go and visit one house, haven't we? If I just do a swap of these. I've got my drone bag with me today, guys, so I haven't got my actual exploring torch, so phone will have to do. Front door boarded. Downstairs toilet. Oh yeah, they stripped them, haven't they? Literally stripped them. Oh, I smell a damp in these already. God, that's a steep stairs. Lounge area. That's what I'm saying about them being on the road. Another lounge area. Bedroom. And bedroom. So that answers my questions of the houses being stripped. Houses? Houses. Look at that window is compared to the floor. That's crazy. Nice. The South Wales miners, you know, no doubt these were miner cottages back in the day. But there we go, boys and girls. Literally, I think that's given you a little bit of a video as what this location is. There's no point doing all the houses, they're all stripped out as you can see. Majority of them are boarded up. I'm going to use the opportunity to take some photos because yes, as well as filming videos, I like to take photos. So, you know, I might pop a link in the description for that as well. So when I'm here, Viking Views, car stuff, Portal Paranormal, incredible stuff. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a bit longer than what I've been able to do recently. So until next time, peace and love as per usual. Boosh!